Today I will discuss about making audiobook from any PDF or EPUB ebook. You can make your own audiobook and upload to YouTube. You can earn good sum of money from YouTube AdSense. So let's begin. First we go to Google. Search for Zamzar on Google. Go to zamzar.com. Now we have to choose a PDF or EPUB file which is to be converted in audiobook. We shall choose Bhagavad Gita as it is, which is in PDF format. Now we have to choose the format to be converted to. We select MP3. Now let input my email address. The converted file will be sent to this email address. I'm hiding my email address for privacy. Click on Convert. Let your file be uploaded. Your file is successfully converted. Download link of your file will be sent to your email address. It may take up to 4 hours. So wait for some time and check your inbox. Here's the email. This is the download link of your file. Click on it. You are on download page. Click on Download Now button and simply download. Now we gonna play a part of the audiobook.
We hope, therefore, that people will derive the greatest benefit by studying Bhagavad Gita as it is as we have presented it here, and if even one man becomes a pure devotee of the Lord, we shall consider our attempt a success.
We gonna upload more videos to help you to start up your own business. If you want to be an entrepreneur, subscribe our channel.